Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite dolly here, Araya Lyric. In today's video, I felt like doing a vlog for you guys. More so like a day in the life of what I usually do when I'm not busy doing other things. The plan today isn't anything too crazy. I kind of just want to go to my favorite Japanese store here in my area, which is called the Minano's. It's so good. I love shopping there. They take all of my money, honestly. After that, I think I kind of want to work out. And then make myself a really nice dinner just to treat myself a little bit like the princess I am. Before I do anything, you know, I have to get ready and turn into a doll. So let's get right into it. Alrighty dolls, my makeup is done. What do you think? This look is so adorable. I can't wait to put on my outfit and head out the door. This is the outfit that I'll be wearing. Nothing too crazy, just basic going out. Alrighty guys, here's the outfit. What do you think? I love it. I just filmed. Okay, I'm back from the store, you guys. So I want to show you what I got. So first, I got this really cute mascara in color brown. I love this brand. The last thing I got from this, I think, oh, I have an eyeliner. I have an eyeliner from this brand and it works so well. So I really want to try the mascara. I got some cute little stickers to add to my laptop and my notebook. I am obsessed with Sanrio stickers. Like, they're just so cute. So the next things I got were these super cute My Melody hair clips. I actually have seen these all over TikTok and I was waiting for Minano's to like put them in stock, and I'm so glad they did. I have not seen this anywhere. It's so big, like it's such a big hair clip. I love it so much. It's so cute. Okay guys, so the next thing I got were these super cute My Melody chopsticks. I have a full chopstick collection, but I just needed to add this to the collection. They're like so cute. Okay, so the last thing I got that isn't food is these super cute My Melody sponges. I hate washing the dishes, but this is just gonna encourage me to wash them now. Like, now I'm gonna be excited to wash the dishes. Not really, but it's just so cute. Time for dinner. I'm so excited. Dolls, it's getting late, so I guess it's time to head into the shower. After my shower, I like to go in with my nightly skincare routine. My morning and night routine are pretty much the same. I just use a little bit more product at night. Since I'm not tired yet, I decided to go ahead and read my book for a little bit until I get sleepy. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. This is the book I'm reading. This is actually my second time reading the book. It's one of my favorite books ever. It's so good. Okay dolls, I'm really tired, so I think I'm gonna end the video here now. Thank you so much for watching the video if you made it this far. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with me as much as I have. Like the video and subscribe if you would like to see more of me. And I'll see you dolls in the next one. Bye!